Hello, my name is Anna Catherine, and I'm currently in Dr. Salmon's academic writing class, and I'm going to be talking about my research paper titled Why Jane Eyre Needed a Smartphone, Technology's Impact on Long-Distance Relationships. So for this paper, I looked at the psychological effects of being separated from a loved one, and because I'm an English major, I also incorporated Charlotte Bronte's Jane Eyre, so I was looking at the relationship of Rochester and Jane. They were separated from each other for 10 months, so I was looking at how their separation led to these negative effects that research have found from being separated from a loved one. So for my thesis statement, I said Rochester's decline in Jane Eyre illustrates the negative effects of being separated from a romantic partner. However, 19th century effects of long-distance relationships differ from 21st century effects because of advancements in communicative technology. So the part about technology, I think, is what makes this paper so relevant to today, because especially being in the middle of a pandemic right now, a lot of people are having to communicate through Zoom and Google Meet and other face-to-face applications like that. And so what I found in my research is while being separated from a loved one does lead to negative effects such as sleeping problems and higher levels of anxiety, technology can actually reduce those effects because even though people can't be physically in person together, if they are able to see each other on a camera or hear each other's voices every day, that can help them feel closer even in their separation. And so by looking at a 19th century novel and then using 21st century research, it just shows how much technology has benefited us and how it's going to continue to benefit us in the future. And so it was a very interesting research paper, and I was glad I was able to pick a topic that I was interested in. And so as far as advice for English 223, I think my first point of advice would be for your research topic to pick something you're interested in. When I originally did this, I was just going to look at the psychology of long-distance relationships, and then Dr. Salmon was saying I could incorporate something related to English as well. And so once I was able to put those two together, it was very interesting to just get to, compare those things and see how they coincided with each other. And then also, if there's a tip about research, for me, I like to get a head start on my annotated bibliographies because I do not like annotated bibliographies, but if I'm able to, do like 1 entry per day or 2 entries per day, when the annotated bibliography is due, it's not everything at once. So I would just say definitely stay ahead of your assignments and pick a topic you like. Thank you.